Donna for Boys and Girls Hairstyles. Today I have an amazing video I want to share with you. I'm just going to talk in this video. I have some really exciting news, and the exciting news is I have found a naturally based product that is literally just taking over the industry. It's #1 right now, and I am like super excited. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I'm so passionate about it. I really want whoever is interested and loves hair product, whether you are a hairstylist or not. Hairstylist, you know, if you want a naturally based, unbelievable product that it's incredible, then this would be for you. I do want the UK people to know that as of February 12th, they are launching over in the UK. So the other news I wanted to share with you is I really need some business partners, and I would love to have a team full of motivated and passionate people about selling hair product and using it. And if you are in the UK, I mean, it's been in the US and Canada, so it's available to all of you, and now it is being launched over in the UK. So if you guys are wanting to be a business partner with me, I really would like you guys to get a hold of me. I do want to put up my email, so you guys can email me if you're interested. Like I said, I'm looking for high-driven people, positive people, and people that love hair care. And if you're thinking that you aren't for this, or if you are, please just get a hold of me. We can talk and go over this. I seriously have never used a product like this ever. So I've been doing hair for 21 years, and this product just come to me, and it's seriously crazy. Anyway, so if you guys are, you know, thinking that you would like to be a business partner with me with this product, get a hold of me. Like I said, we can talk. I can give you more information, and it has my whole heart. I'm in love with this product. Anyway, so if you guys, like I said, if you're interested, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everything's going good for everyone, and I hope you have a good day. And again, UK, if you guys want to be the first to try this, and to be the first of getting it out there over there, you honestly will be so pleased and happy. So I really want to get a quick start on that over in the UK, because you want to be the first people to try it, the product over there, and get it out to people. So anyway, let me know, you guys. Again, thank you for subscribing. Thanks for always watching and supporting me. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So you guys have a good day, and talk to you soon. See ya.